Less than a month left. The first vote will be cast on the 11th of April and politicians are still deciding which party they belong to. They're busy switching sides. Just before the nominations are filed, this is the time to bargain. And defectors in Uttar Pradesh are striking gold. 15 prominent leaders of the BSP, the Bahujan Samaj Party, that is Mayawati's party, have joined the BJP. 11 of them had contested in the last state and general election. The most prominent name in this list is of Vijay Prakash Jaiswal. This is a man who took on Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Varanasi, and that was in 2014. Jaiswal suffered a humiliating defeat. He won barely 5% of the vote, and 5 years on, he's joined Modi's party. As they say, if you can't beat them, join them. But he's not the only one. The list of defectors is long. In the last 30 days, as many as 28 leaders from different opposition parties have joined the BJP. Not sure if they're going to get votes, but it's good messaging for the Saffron Party. Let's break down these numbers for you. This is the IEW switch meter. Out of the 28 defections, 5 are from the Congress, 2 from the TMC, 1 from the NCP, 2 from the BJD, 3 from the Aam Aadmi Party, and 15 from the BSP. Of course, the BJP too has lost some members to these parties. We'll discuss them at a later point. For the moment, let's understand what the BJP plans to do with all these new members. Will these people be given tickets? Will they contest elections? Can they win elections? Not all of them. And yet their joining is important because these are political mind games. Large-scale defections demoralize party cadres. The message going out is that the BJP is on a stronger footing, and that's both for the supporters of the party and the voters. And of course, the BJP, we know, is already the world's largest party in terms of membership. A few more will not hurt.